a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in a mind. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from, well, I mean, let's be real, y'all already done seen the title and the thumbnail. So Outre sent your girl over a unit. Like, I'm so freaking excited. If you don't know, Outre is my favorite synthetic brand. So for them to take the time out and reach out to little old me and send me over one of their newer units, like, I am greatly appreciative. Now granted, they did not ask me to create this review for you all. I'm doing this on my own. However, they did ask me to create a TikTok and an IG reel. So if you have some time, you know, after this video, please feel free to go over and show those two videos some love if you don't mind on those platforms. Like, it will be greatly appreciated. Like, love y'all, damn. But anywho, in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a unit from their Melted Hairline collection, but it's under the name Swirlista. They have like 101, 102, and 103. Again, I have 103, and that's supposed to be the super curly version. 101, if I'm thinking correctly, is the straight version, and then 102 is supposed to be the bodyweight version. These units do come in a variety of colors, and of course, I'll pop it up here on the screen for you all. I received the color DR Ginger Toffee. With the DR Ginger Toffee color, it starts off with a dark root of like a 1B-ish color. Then it goes down into this beautiful like chocolate brownish color. I'm guessing that's supposed to be the toffee portion. Then it has like these subtle highlights throughout the entire unit of like reddish orangish colors, which is supposed to be the ginger portion. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front, 1 on each side. It also has the adjustable straps here in the back, and then it also comes with a pre-attached elastic security band. Because this unit is a part of the Melted Hairline series, you can expect that 5-inch deep C shape parting space here on the lace portion. But then when it comes to the hairline, it says that it's supposed to be deeper, wider, hand-tied lace frontal space. Now I will say you get that here on the right side of the unit. Yeah, trying to make sure I knew which side it was going on. You will get that on the right side. I feel like you get a lot of space here. But when it comes to the left side, like the rest of your hairline, this area right here, I would say that it's pretty much your normal amount of space. Even though it has like all of this lace down here, you're pretty much only getting like right there that much space for plucking. So I'd say about an inch, if you will. From the looks of it, this hairline does look like it has been pre-plucked. I may go in and pluck just a little bit more, but of course I'll have to wait and see how it's looking on my head. Now this unit is a part of the Swirlista collection, so therefore the purpose of having that extra space here on the right side is so you can create your baby hairs. Now if this is your first time watching me, I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs. I've said this in like multiple videos before, but again, the purpose of this unit is for baby hairs. So regardless of if you want like actual baby hairs or if you want adult hairs, it's all up to you. You do what you want to do with your unit. For me personally, I am going to try to create probably small baby hairs. Like, we'll see. Like, I gotta try it out. I mean, that's the purpose of this unit, right? But okay, that's enough of me jacking my jaws. I'm going to go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back at the end with my final thoughts. You know, how the curls are feeling, how the density's feeling on my head, whether I feel like she's big head friendly, you know, all the things.
What's your problem? 'Cause I know it's hard sometimes. Maybe just give it some time. Oh, now we can solve them. You just give me some time. I can't open up your mind.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Outre. We'll start with my cons first, and the only real con that I have for this unit is that she is going to tangle. Now granted, she is a colored curly synthetic unit, so naturally she is going to have some tangling at some point, but just be prepared. If you get a finger, a ring, an earring, anything caught in one of these curls, be prepared to tussle with this unit for a split second. So far I'm not getting any shedding, which is a great thing, and the color on this unit is absolutely beautiful. I wouldn't mind her in like a 1B. Don't get me wrong, this DR Ginger Toffee is hitting for sure, but I just feel like a 1B, maybe even a 2 would just like eat even more, because it would give it like an even more realistic look and feel, if you will. The density on this unit is very nice, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first pulled it out of the box I was kind of like, she's looking a little bit thin. I don't think I'm gonna like that. But once I fluffed her out, which I don't think I fluffed her out on camera, but just know I did fluff her out. I just took my fingers and just like constantly did this throughout the entire unit to fluff her up. Once I fluffed her up though, clearly she is not looking thin whatsoever. She feels very lightweight, which in my opinion means that you can get away with wearing her all year round, which is a great thing whenever it comes to like picking out units. The lace on this unit melted so freaking nicely. Like, I'm talking about chef's kiss. And granted, it is, you know, Outre's melted hairline, so obviously the melt is going to be very nice. But I don't know, I think my thing is I haven't installed a synthetic unit in such a long time to where I forgot like how good they can be. Like, this low-key made me excited about synthetic units again. With this unit being a part of their Swirlista collection or line, whatever you want to call it, I'm just gonna say this little 1 and 2 that I did right here, like, they're eating. Like, they are really cute, and that's coming from somebody who again does not like baby hairs, but this, yeah, she's giving. I like the fact that even with this being a synthetic unit, if you are somebody who doesn't like baby hairs, I mean, you saw that melt, you can have no baby hairs with this unit. But if you are someone who likes actual baby hairs, you can create cute little baby hairs and it's still going to look good. But if you are someone who likes, you know, the thick, chunky baby hairs, you have more than enough room to create that for yourself as well. Like, I was feeling as much space that I have here on the side, and it goes back to pretty much right here. Like, that's a lot of space. Now, because this is a curly synthetic unit, of course I'm not going to expect her to last forever, but then again, it also just depends on how well you take care of the unit. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that whenever the unit starts to get like real dusty and tangly and matted like towards the ends and whatnot, I feel like you can still get your money's worth no matter what, because then you can just, you know, chop off that part and then you'll have, you know, a little bit of a shorter unit, but it'll still be the same unit. For me personally, I think that I would chop her like right to here. Yeah, and then at that point, for me personally, I would just discard the unit. But yeah, I'm going to get my wear out of her. Why couldn't I almost talk? In my opinion, this unit is like a 9 out of 10. The only reason why she's not getting that 10 out of 10 is because of the fact of how fast she like tangles. But other than that, definitely a 9 out of 10. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.